Welcome to Virtual Learning Labs. This video demonstrates how we can support mixed reality teaching and learning using the Virtual Learning Appliance. This work was done in collaboration with the University of Essex in the UK. The video shows how live teaching sessions, such as lectures, can be carried out with students attending both virtually and in the live classroom. A virtual classroom is linked to the live classroom, and students in both environments are able to fully interact with each other. Virtual students will see the same lecture slides and they can ask questions of the teacher. Here we see a remote student logging into the virtual class. We now join the class as it is about to start.
And welcome to Academic Writing. Thank you for coming today. Today we're going to cover the main features of the course and give you some practice writing so that you can do a needs analysis and ask me some questions from there. Well, let's start by looking at the elements of academic writing. I'd like to welcome our students who are standing there remotely. Hello everyone in Wonderland. Hello everyone, would you like to wave and perhaps everyone else, Henry and Chris? When we think about the key features of academic writing, apart from vocabulary, one must also bear in mind stylistic devices. Now, these stylistic devices include a blend of grammar and vocabulary. Apart from vocabulary, one must also bear in mind stylistic devices. Now, these stylistic devices include a blend of grammar and vocabulary. All right then, does anyone have any questions? I can see that Pete has a question. Go ahead, Pete.
Please can you tell me about referencing in academic writing?
Interesting question, Pete, because when we consider academic referencing, we're not only thinking about the sources of the referencing. Answer your question, Pete?
That's great, thanks for the explanation.
Here we look at some of the additional features within the Virtual Learning Appliance. A camera, microphone and speakers allows the virtual class to fully interact with the real classroom. Virtual participants can seamlessly talk with one another with a high-quality spatialized audio interface, which resembles real-world communication. They can also use a range of in-world tools to work with one another on specific tasks. Here we see two users collaborating around a whiteboard. Any OpenOffice application can be incorporated within the virtual world. Here we see two users collaborating on a presentation. And here we see two users sharing a web browser. In fact, any desktop application can be shared in-world by using a VNC server. We can also create pre-recorded bots with a voice soundtrack and an automated slideshow.
At the moment, in the Native Education College, we operate a number of smart classrooms. These classrooms capture the teachers.
Here we see two users in a cone of silence. This allows a private conversation to be carried out, which cannot be overheard by other users. Welcome to Virtual Learning Labs.